So, yesterday we did some pre research writing about our chosen topic, and I chose to write about the issue of serving junk food at school. And in my pre research writing, I wrote a little bit about how schools are not allowed to sell junk food anymore. Um, I think I need to know a little bit more about why they can't sell junk food. And I also want to know how junk food affects kids who are trying to learn in school. And then I was thinking I should find out why some people are upset about like this new rule and this change. And I might need to know what kinds of foods, like if we're talking about junk food, how do we define junk food and what foods can be sold in school? So I'm going to go ahead and jot down some of my questions about junk food. And this is going to help me when I go to research later, um, kind of narrow down and focus at what I'm looking for. So, my first question might be like, why aren't schools allowed to sell junk food? Sorry, I have some problems here. Why aren't schools allowed to sell junk food? Um, I'm also wondering, how does junk food affect kids and learning? Um, I want to know, like, why are some people upset about this? Like, why is it such a big deal? I'm imagining it's the kids that are the most upset. That schools can't sell food. I also might want to know, like, the definition. Like, how do we know something is junk food? Kinds of food are considered junk? Like, what makes something a junk food? Um, and I also might want to know, like, what kinds of food are sold now that junk, like, what are replacing it? The junk food can be sold. So now I have five solid questions that will help me when it's time to start researching, so I know what it is that I'm looking for and I don't fall down like a rabbit hole of information. And so in your notebook right now, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and start making a list. I have five right here, and I'm probably going to continue to add to that. I'm going to challenge you to find eight. What are eight questions, some things that you might need to know some more about the topic that you have decided to write about?